Tip number 2, and I love this one. I need to do it more often. I need to restart it again this year because the year that I did it, it really helped. It has to do with your hangers and your clothes. We as women, we're probably the worst with keeping our old clothes that we have not worn in a year, 2 years, 5 years. I even have things that have been in there 10 years. I have no idea why. So, having your hangers turn in one direction. Start your closet off, they all turn in one direction. Forward, backward, whatever. I found it easier to start with the hangers backwards. Then when I wore it and put it back in the closet, then I turned it forwards and put it on there. At the end of a few months, at the end of a year, whatever time period you designate for it, all those hangers that are still turned backwards are clothes that you have not worn. Take them down, donate them, throw them away, whatever you have to do to keep your closet organized. We all know that we buy more stuff and we end up keeping 2, 3, 10 times as much stuff as we need to, and our closets get very unorganized. So have all your hangers facing one direction at the beginning of this month, next month, whenever you designate to start, and as you wear them, put them back in the opposite direction. You'll know exactly which ones you have not worn at the end of your chosen time period. Have a great day. Thanks so much. This has been Rachel Babinchak with Realty One Group.